If Mahama can say, my challenge and this for Ghana or Repurunwa, Mukoya, who say, these guys are bound to come, they have their evidence, they'll go to court and get justice. Who Jimmy, who small boy? One of my manager, Mohammed, and their mates. Younger boys are, how can President Mahama reduce himself so low for this guy to deceive him? We got friend Linda, the car now, the man, or the Cobar for the Nigel. Bisa Linda said, hey, then what the car is man. And then in your mouth to talk of call for it, someone, care for it, if you are now, or renting and also, or the man it's him. And then, of course, it's a human flu. They give information about you. Now they are paying a movie appear stadium. He has also confirmed. Appear stadium. What you say? Yeah. This is an evil boy. Meaning how these people have become so powerful. Nigel, get ready. We are suspect of that girl, not who you know. I will deal with you. Yes. Yes. Nigel, Messi, because Messi, when you're ready, not too long. I have evidence coming out. The girl died. Yes, Messi, I have evidence coming out. So I will challenge you. Was a very serious. We are not going to allow you fake pastors to deceive Ghanaians, kill them, take their assets. Who the hell do you think you are? You are an asshole. I want to challenge Mahama. And I only power. You focus. You see what I'll do to that pastor? Because yet now, Emma who you sue NDC. We are all Ghanaians. We have to live. We have right to live as human beings. You cannot hide behind politics and dupe people and think you go scot-free. Madam, I respect you. Now where can I say, well, who catch you or can say? What to me? Or who say, catch you or Casabunti and ye? Or what evidence against him, Tino? Or blackmailing? Or my only girlfriend could I girl with Jimmy and T. Now I record way. Way, Nibama Mia Casabon. The prick. I want in here, yes, sex, ye, or people. Now, you're stupid girl. Now, what shot? No, they are common nature. And now, the catcher man was, you don't know the guy well now, the patrolman. Okay, a picture, no? Girl, no, the pictures in the command was sending back to Bre, we are Casa. I know you. Now try. You see. No, was sending at the command where, mammy. Where naked pictures. Baby, I would bring naked pictures. Nigel are sending at the command where, mammy. Where we are sending at the command brother. Very treacherous. Yes. And that girl, get it straight. We're taking those pictures to the police. One now, he's not going. I'll take you to police headquarters. Give your evidence and let us see what Mahama can do. Any NDC police officer who will try our police headquarters, you will see what will happen in this country. Justice for all. Everybody should have equal rights. Nobody, and I say nobody, including myself. I'm not about the law. I'm not about the law. And therefore, every human being has the right and the freedom to live. But Nigel, now you're a small boy. We're chicken. You will see what will happen to you. By the time I finish, because the evidence I have against the guy, the does now to say, one of the where you're from by nature, and what did not get a punk of war. What? You started making the money when the girl died because of your prediction. Wow. Now, the evidence coming out, you set the girl up and you will see what the EBONY girl. Yes. Yes. This was a death. The evidence coming out, you will see. I will challenge you. Who need power? Who need trouble? Wow. We are very evil boy. We are crook from school already. Go and check his background. We are crook. Now, I respect President Mahama. I said, Kenn, what could be that of a man who influence former President Mahama to that extent? No access. I don't know. Power. Now power where to be. We live comfortably. How can we allow this idiot? And the Sika when you know the man one or did a man who will be free 3 bed, we are useless. I saw it now, see ye. Sword, I would share from. What did Ukate sword and say? We had only 2 asofu and I took Mukoperi sword. I have the pictures. Monday, I'm sure you could see a sword. Yes, I will baby. I'm not sorry. What is here? Yeah. What was you in Yamiba? You are just a crook, an idiot. You are just a crook, an idiot. You see, by the time I'm finished with you, would you your worse than will be honestly? Who had the rate at which or you in your manner, or your worse, or you should not or set him up against a member and an engine. What you say, who use them, only who use them the information. Now, you will see what will happen to you. What to me catch it obeying, so we're a dog. The impudence you have to tell the wife, so we're a dog. We're a foolish woman. You will see what I'll do to you. We're foolish. Elders know us in presence of us. She had the audacity to tell them, go and tell why you need to tame his dogs. His dog. Meaning untamable hearing. If you are giving her respect, and the so-called the administrator, where do you want me now? Where do you want? And allow me to use it because I want Ghanaians to know who these fake pastors are. Every time, crack. Every time. Now, dear, I want to pause on it here because it is Monday. We have Manua or a tofu aspiring MPC now. Why you want you? Come in, dear Waha. A power cacao copenti. Mama, actress, radio presenters. Oba, my respected pie, Nanaba Namwa. Yanaba Namwa. Or the apocacy of Kotu, the team, Sandy Papa Fia or Cape Coast, Busum Woho, never you say, into Umbra, or Koyefru Nanabanko. That's a deep thinker. Yeah. So I was awful well to one, no, I guess I'm a coach upon. Confess. Ono Kakranoa na kochichiri apono edi koma Nigel so onfanyi nanaba and it didn't work. That's a smart woman. Really, that's a smart woman. What do you say? The rest they all fall. Only your victims. I have serious names here. Wow! Presenters in oh yes. Me see if you are any panoko no 2 bottles of champagne. The common way. What a picture say, oh yeah, MP. What? He dresses so well. And I just fell in love with the guy. And also was soft sports man. Yes. But me who here and I respect man on echo. How can educated person, minister, MP, minister, vice president, president, all of them, allow this idiot catch yourself kofa is your kofa gallon 7 fabra no shiraso kofa by no abamon paye grisi said foko president Mahama tell you today foko bibi ani o we and wonsuo na ade man 1 gallon no fire no what the kwaso dem ko ka say what the free Israel ne ba River Jordan and what on back of Israel now walk on. Boy back we a friend Christian. On the chat ticket in the man. Well we are no or 50,000 a free Christian or 1 farmer suddenly in his water. A 113. Many other cases no. Port police station. It's a threat. It's when you're ready. Send this for Tiasia. Dabiano, Sanko for way, and one Benkobi, politicians be too much. Until when they cheat people are. Exactly. Ubia to me and Kokari, police in Israel, Ubia Swominach, Mosua, Muni, the voiceless, Japan will defend you. If you have to go to court and you need a lawyer, not for individuals. Namodi bunko for enya jumakana. Besi metu so sa. Na and the people have confidence say ombo nya results it omo nya kukudu withdraw are bringing their with pictures. Maybe what pictures. Says of me what pictures are Monday. Make sure to confirm at the Kenya. I'm not going to lie. Because me chatura M1. But it's so disgusting. So disgusting. Then this is for the moon friendly papa via money. Masofu for ya kushifo. Mua kasamu ya kushifo. And to be a member when you were TBI kushini. Why? And you want power? Yes, it's a minunku, Naminchila Usubani. So for your Bedukobi. So for your Nigel Gaisie. So for your Oswaje. Why are you with Oswaje? Monfabra. Oswaje. Monfabra. The Nigel had the power documents trust upon Gramza. Very if you are victims.
Well, it's unfortunate that all the names will be dropped.
Yeah.
First of all, also for the apostle Kwabena Uswiji, on our general overseer.
Where we smoke. Or should we decide what Cassati say?
But we didn't know, sir. Weeds, we did them.
I'm say, me catch you say. Say security and China, me met you.
Yeah.
Good.
Less than 24 hours.
Intelligence here, me free hakona na pon passiams. Oh yeah. Don't send me a bremi. They will pick the satellite, Senia or Senia, will pick it.
What we didn't come up with.
So on say message I was say I will look at Japan. The MPP phone Jimmy. Or no Luminas Kakabas say with Jimmy Chow. Now my meaning I didn't want to run in the mouth. Yeah, dear mayor. So yeah. I don't know, yes. Now the tyranny, you know why? Now me momo, Osuaje. Osuaje, now the Bushia Foska. Nina, your friend can come. Osida, Kumasi, and become baby a asher from one. Maybe one come here, Minka. Some catch them will say, I die who need a million. So 2 million electricity. Yes. Nina Nano. Oska because na the boyfriend who come do say to nyeska usida kama udi no huni wanwo ena ofa ono ni mami ni nua ba ema eni sa we mami no sa usu aje mami to ohwe mu kama. I hear the woman is beautiful. Iti owo ma 5 usu aje mami what yes owo ma 5 Oh, my 5 no. Osuaje and their first born. The papa a professor, not management. 2. Ojai papa no, or lawyer. One and another beautiful lady. Ojai lawyer no, or businessman. One and the babako, on the Prempeh College, was superb, very gentle. We are no, as I call justice redo. One and 2. To the United Nations. United Nations. A branch here you call Prempeh College. Chrono, we. And we are typing pool or typewriters 20, 23 other guys. Society. Sa typewriters in a Fofi and Twata no chido. And no call. Sintraso, the North Sintraso, the South Police Station, a bank Prempeh College, and Dominican Country. Of course, we have background here, Mikaya, Sika Ufi, and a yellow, Jimmy, Ninianuma, Kenina, Bomu Prakama, and you are one, coming camp, history. Mammy Bessa Media would was some Bamswa within 24 hours. I would dig it, may you become a nut. I'm presenting a couple of hours, so not a chintam. Now, no, this year. So I say, we're minimum. Oh, no, we now, no, kati. Running a mouth. Since Sunday, and I'm not national security. Oh, but because something will happen, a peanut butter. As I'm pay, and I'm sad by the ban a peanut butter signals. Yeah, I was a guy watching up. You know, the Padian chip up a biasa. Navi, I'm up 6:45. Now, direction no ankasa me guade no so bachona no kwachi ro bachona da the honor me friend honorable kandapa na too early but of fine okay first one